Yeah, we turn left here.
When you get off and you jump on each other's bikes.
I looked back at them and winked.
Oh.
How's it going, guys? Rapid Rider here, and I'm currently riding with MotoMew. There she is, just ahead of me on my bike. I'm on hers. I believe it's a ZZ250r, Kawasaki 250, or whatever they call it. And oh, I just had a bit of a heart attack then because I thought I left my phone behind. Oh, bro. Perth drivers, man, Perth drivers. Yeah, as you can see, I'm actually trying out a new camera mounting style because, as I said in my last video, which I actually haven't uploaded yet, but I will before I do this one, I've actually got a new helmet, and my old camera style wouldn't actually work on the new helmet, unfortunately. And so I just thought I'd try out a front mounting view, see how that goes. You guys might be able to see more, you might be able to see less, I don't know. But yeah, give me your feedback, tell me what it's like, and I'll decide whether or not to stick with this camera mounting style or not. So yeah, MotoMew is currently ahead of me on my bike, which is a Kawasaki Ninja 250, and it is loud. I never realised how loud it was until I rode behind it. Yeah, fucking hell, that is loud. That is loud. I actually need to get a new chain for the bike as well. See, I'll get as close as I can, and you can take a look. The chain is just so loose. Like, it's jumpy when you ride, and it's just horrible. It's just horrible. So I need to get a new one for that. So, we're actually heading to... Oh, cute. She's actually got a watch on her bike, MotoMew. I never knew that before. And it is currently 1:37 in the afternoon. And if you're lucky, me and MotoMew actually might head down to Rockingham area and we'll go pick up RevBomb, because RevBomb's bike's actually in the shop right now. He's getting his fork seals fixed up. Oh, hold on. Go on, grab it! Oh yeah, there we go. I'm sure the cops would not be too pleased with us right now if they saw what was going on. But it's okay, we're not breaking any speed limits. Yeah, they're cool. Oh, I'm in such a good mood right now. It's good being able to ride with someone different, like as you can see from my last few videos, I usually ride with RevBomb, but that's only because we live like 10 minutes away from each other. We're really, really, really close friends. We've known each other for years, so that's something to expect. And I don't actually know many people personally that I ride with other than RevBomb and MotoMew. And holy shit, my bike's loud, so I'm gonna pull back a bit. I have two other friends. I'll just mention them by their first names, Declan and Mikey. They're good fun to ride with as well. They're really good mates. I haven't known them as long as I have RevBomb, but I've known them since high school, maybe year 10 for Mikey, year 8 for Declan, and they're good friends. I like to think they're good friends anyway. Mikey rides an old Honda, one of those old double R's, they're like 250 racing bikes that look just really nice. And Declan rides my dream bike, which is a Yamaha R6, YZF R6. But I'm not too sure what I want my next bike to be, guys. Like I'm really stuck. Like I'm not sure if I want a WR450 and get that road trail action going on, or I'm not sure if I should get my R-Class license and go for YZF R6. But I was also thinking of just keeping my land license for a little longer and going for the same bike that Unfaced Perth has, which I think it's a SR6, and it's a 600, but it's lambs legal, so it won't have the same amount of grunt and torque and shit that the R6 has, but it'd still be good fun to ride. I don't know. I've actually, oh yeah guys, look, I've got a new jacket as well. Alpine Stars, a summer riding jacket, which actually fits me because it's not a hand-me-down. So new helmet, a new jacket, and hopefully I'll be getting some new gloves as well. Because these ones are they're old. I crashed them as well, like, there you go, see, yeah. And like the padding in the palm's just been so worn out, like it doesn't even feel like there's padding anymore. If you feel it with like your fingers, there's no padding at all. So, do for new gloves. I don't really need new pants, these pants are good enough, they're just like jeans. They're actually rock jeans. Jake the Garden Snake wears them, and all of his buddies that he rides with. Yeah, so I might drop in and out every now and then. I'll keep the camera rolling just in case anything interesting happens, but there is a chance that I'll run out of battery because the battery on the GoPro just isn't that great. So we'll scooch in beside MotoMew. In her last video, you would have seen she actually had one of her good girlfriends on the back of her bike and did like a little pillion vlog, and hopefully we'll get some action like that tonight. Brought to you by Channel 7 News. Yeah, we'll get some pillion action going on, which should be good. I'm pretty sure we're actually heading to one of her friend's house. This is right now. Who rides Ducati, I think. I don't know. Just gonna pick some stuff up. So we'll see how it goes. See if anything interesting happens. That is scary. How you going? So I'm back. She's back now, and she's back on mine, and we're going out to pick up RevBomb. And just up there, past the car in front of me, there's black pickup. They're just turning now, and I'm not sure why, but they just pulled up beside me and flipped me off, and that's upset me a little bit. Yeah, just in case any of you know, that means he has a little dick. He's obviously compensating for fucking something with that fucking car. Dickhead. Alrighty. MotoMew, gonna take me on the back of my bike and hopefully not kill me. Oh, that's weird. Am I heavy? Not really, I'm like 60 something. Hey?
You're squishing something.
Was I? Well, I hope you don't have anything to squish. That's scary. Oh, I'm terrified for my life right now. Wow! Oh, fuck! Holy shit! That was unexpected.
If you want to turn away, just honk my boot, okay?
Hey?
Honk my boot, which way you want to go.
I can't hear you, man.
So honk left boob, left, right boob, right.
Alright. Honk honk. I'm not sure if you guys heard her, but she said honk my left boob to go left and then honk my right boob to go right. So that's the turning system for us right now.